Hi Cassidy, Dr. Marvin here. Just thought it would be easier to do a quick video to kind of give you some feedback here. So on the Excel sections, you're on the right track here in this middle section. The problem that I see in this formula right here is that you have the BG, so just a little slight typo right there, but you're doing the right steps. You have the right idea, is that you're going to start with the units that you had at the beginning of the period. You're going to add to that the units that were started during the period, and you're going to subtract off the units that you still had at the end. So just that little slight G that's getting in your way, and otherwise you're in great shape. So then the same kind of formula we need over here in conversion, okay? And then this is a little bit easier than I think you're maybe trying to make it here, is that the units, you've already converted these to the equivalent units of production. So here all we need to do is add this and this together. So we could just do equals whatever this column is, B, right? So equals B26 plus B28. And same over here, equals C26 and C29, okay? So then when we get down further, we're going to use this value that you found here in this area, equivalent units of production. So what we need to do in this spot is just equals up here, equals, so equals B30 equals C30, and that's just going to simply bring that down, okay? So that's what we're after there. And then the cost, we just need to do division. So divide the cost by the units, so equals B38 by B39, and there's your answer, okay? So hopefully that helps, and you'll kind of do that same kind of formulas, linking, basically bringing those things down, and then doing some multiplication in this section. So hopefully that helps and gets you on the track that you need to be on. If not, let me know and I can give you some more help. So take care, hope all is well, and keep me updated. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.